Everyone, welcome to my channel, Bisaya made in Washington. I have this channel about workouts, dancing. So I hope you enjoy. Sometimes I do my daily tasks like cleaning my house, a daily routine. And I hope to subscribe and hit like. Bisaya made in Washington. Bye.
Thank you.
I'll take one piece of toast.
It's good. It's an omelette.
Yeah.
Mine is pancake and eggs
Pancakes and eggs
sausage. And then I have English muffin.
Yep.
And you give me your toast.
Yep. I gave her my jelly too.
And you got your, what they call that?
My gravy for my house plant.
Gravy. So much food, hon. So look at that. What's wrong?
No.